13. Exotic foods. You should try. If you can relate an ethnic food to something you already have in your pantry, you can substitute it with something that'll lend an exotic flair to your dishes, Eden says. And you could really impress a date if you whip her up something new and adventurous to try. Number 1. Tahini. A toasted sesame paste found in North African cuisine. It adds a great nutty flavor to hummus, sauces, and even cookies. Tahini is supposed to increase blood flow in your arteries, which explains why tahini is good for your sex drive. Number 2. Sardines. These oily fish may be small, but they are packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Sardines promote heart health and reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Grill them 3 minutes per side, Eden says, or wrap them in grapevine leaves to hold them together and infuse added flavor. Number 3. Turmeric. This spice is an anti-inflammatory and liver detoxifier and aids with weight management and cancer prevention. It is subtle, earthy, and adds great color to your dishes, says Eden, who uses it in curries and chicken marinades. Number 4. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is high in fiber and great for your prostate, skin, and bones. Substitute it for water when steaming rice, or throw it into a protein shake. Number 5. Brazil nuts. High in magnesium and selenium, Brazil nuts are a complete protein source. Add them to trail mix or snack on a handful before a workout for an energy boost. Number 6. Kimchi. A Korean fermented cabbage. Kimchi is loaded with vitamins A, B, and C, but its biggest benefit may be its healthy probiotics, which aid in digestion. Use it instead of pickles and turkey sandwiches, or add to stir-fries and rice dishes. Number 7. Ginger. Chew on raw ginger when you're feeling nauseous. Grate or roughly chop and add with onions to sauté dishes to add more heat. Number 8. Papaya, an excellent source of fiber, vitamins A, C, and E, and antioxidants. Great for chutneys, salads, and sauces. Number 9. Persimmon. The peel of Japan's national fruit is supposed to help reduce signs of aging. Number 10. Saffron. The most expensive spice in the world, saffron enhances fertility, relieves anxiety and tension, and even helps improve eyesight. A little goes a long way. Number 11. Durian. This porcupine-looking fruit reeks once opened, but if you can get past the stench, you'll be rewarded with a creamy, tangy fruit that's high in iron and fiber, and, Eden adds, is a powerful aphrodisiac. Number 12. Kupuaku. The next big superfruit. It's rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids and can help increase libido. Number 13. Harissa. A Tunisian hot sauce that's great with meats and stews. It's high in vitamin C and may help you fight inflammation, burn fat, and lower blood pressure. Use sparingly. It'll burn your mouth, Eden warns.